What's up, everybody? So today I'm doing my macro presentation, and as you can hopefully you can see my screen right now. And I picked I'm going to study the life expectancy of South Africa and the United States and compare. I picked these two just because they're pretty far from each other. So I mean, hopefully there's a significant amount of differences. So my hypothesis is that as life goes on, technology got better, so that obviously means that there's a better there's a likely chance of you living longer than there was back when there's no technology. So here we go with the graphs. So as you can see that they start out USA started about 39 and South Africa started about 33, and they're going pretty steady right now. But you as I'll go over that little spike later. But right now USA is moving a lot faster because of technology. And I think the graph goes all the way up to 2019. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see that USA obviously had um a better life. They had more, you can live longer. And I think it's honestly because of less diseases and the technology and medicine that we had. So as you can see, the first spike that we see in one of the graphs is right here in the USA in 1864. It actually started in 1860 and ended around 1865. And I did some research about it, and it's because of the Civil War, which was in 1861 to 1865. And that's why the death rate went from 40 to actually 31 because of the Civil War, which is a pretty big decrease. But after that, it ended. We kept on going. We got more technology. And then both here really hit South Africa, and it really hit the United States from where we were. It put the United States at the age of 47 and then South Africa at 11. And I looked it up. I was wondering why such a big spike, and it was the first time that the flu hit. So technically, it's kind of like the coronavirus. They didn't know what was happening, and they had to find a vaccine. And obviously, you can tell that the U.S. found it quicker, and it helped us out a lot more. And so things get better for everybody. Every life expectancy gets longer and longer. And then I was really confused when I saw this big spike in South Africa of why that decreased. And I looked it up, and from 1993, the age was 65 to 2007, it went down to 52. And that was because of a disease called cholera. And it's from drinking bad water, like contaminated water, and it caused dehydration and explosive diarrhea. And people died from that. And it's kind of crazy just to think that if you don't have good water in your system that you will die. So anyway, after that, I guess they found a vaccine and they cleared it up. And I mean, as you can see, that USA still has a better life expectancy. But other than that, there you go. There is a map finder on some information. Peace out. Thanks.